Hey everyone, today in this video we will be talking about objectives and importance of management. In earlier videos we had seen what is the concept of management, what does it mean, its definition. Then we also talked about characteristics of management or features of management or characteristic features of management. Today we will be talking about objectives and importance of management. Any organization, more so a business organization, is there to achieve certain objectives for which it has been established. Right? The objectives of management can be categorized into three different parts. One is organizational objectives, then we have social objectives, and then there is personal objectives. What are organizational objectives? What are organizational objectives? Basically, any business organization caters to take care of different stakeholders, owners, shareholders, consumers, suppliers, bankers, government, community, etc., etc. And the main objective of a business organization can be said to be economic objectives, and it has three components. One is survival, then there is profit, and then there is growth. Survival is the first step. Any business needs to survive. There are many different ups and downs during the course of a business year. Like in this pandemic, it was difficult for business to survive, and they have to do lot of juggling, lot of changes to survive in the business. Many of them were out of business, went out of business, particularly MSME sector, micro, small and medium enterprises. So, the objective of the organization is to survive, remain in the business. It is not always that business organization makes profit. Sometimes it operates incurring losses. At times it has to operate on no profit, no loss. Then the profit might be inadequate, and then we have a situation where the profit is handsome. So the main objective, there are different challenges. It is a dynamic environment, things keep on changing, evolving. So the objective is to survive. Right? Once we are able to survive in the business, the profit comes naturally. The profit comes naturally over a period of time. Right? And once profit is there, growth also comes into the picture through retained earnings, through the surplus that we have. It might come in the form of expansion, modernization or diversification or technological upgradation. So the organizational objectives can be categorized as these three: survival, profit and growth. They come in the same order, right? Then there are social objectives. Any business, we are already aware, is there to make profit by satisfying needs of the society, by creating value, economic value, by providing goods and services needed by the society. So the social objective is to provide reasonable priced quality products at reasonable price, to have environment friendly production process, manufacturing process, or even if it is a service organization, it needs to be environment friendly. Then it must take care of the community where the enterprise is located. Then it has obligations towards the government in the form of paying taxes, following the rules and regulations. So these are the social objectives. We have learnt about them in the corporate social responsibility or social responsibility of business in class 11. So that is the social objective, providing employment to rural areas, remote areas, taking business to backward areas, providing jobs to the son of the soil, etc. and etc. Then there are personal objectives. Why someone works? Why anyone is there in the organization? The basic objective is all of us have financial needs. We need to fulfill them. We are looking for financial stability. The income is all round the year. Then we are looking for advancement in career, moving ahead in the organizational chart, career advancement, financial stability, financial security, and then we are also looking for social recognition. We are also looking for social recognition. The most apt example is those who are working in multinational corporations like Google, Microsoft. So anyone who is working in these organizations, they are taken highly by the society, right? So we are also looking for social recognition. So the objective of the business organization is to provide all these to individuals who are in the organization so that they feel satisfied, they feel good, and they have a sense of loyalty towards the organization, right? So these are the various objectives of management. Then importance of management. What is its significance? Why do we need management? Why do we need management? As we can see, there are 5 different points which highlight its importance or significance. Number 1 is it helps in achieving group goals. We have seen in the definition of management that it is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving preset goals. The very existence of any organization is to achieve some goals which have been set. To achieve some goals which have been set. Like, let us say for Maruti, their goal is to be a market leader, maintain 52-53% of the market share in passenger car segment, be its leader, or sell 10 lakh units of a car in a financial year. For any school, it is 100% result. As many students in 90+ percentage as possible. So these are the goals. Its very existence is a precondition for any management for any business organization. It is there very much in the definition itself. Then the second is management increases efficiency by cutting cost, maintaining time schedule, increasing productivity or output, by resorting to different business techniques and practices, cutting cost, upgrading technology, opting for new and new methodologies to keep pace with the changing time so that they are efficient. A business can survive in the long run only when they are efficient. The third one is it creates a dynamic organization. A business gets affected by external forces. There are many factors which affect a business, and those factors are not within the control of any business organization. Like legal environment is there, social environment is there, political environment is there, technological environment is there. There are many different factors which affect the business organization, and the business has no control over them, right? So a business has to keep pace with the changing time and evolve as per the needs and requirements of the time. Come up with solutions, practices, techniques which keep them at par with the other players, the other competitors. And this is what management does by bringing in changes so that the organization is able to cope up with the changing dynamics. The fourth one is management helps in achieving personal objectives. We have seen just now what are personal objectives: financial security, financial stability, advancement in career, social recognition, a good living and working condition, a well satisfied workforce who are loyal towards the company, are ready to make sacrifices for the company, to give their best. So if any business organization is able to fulfill the personal objectives of its employees, it is way ahead of others who are not doing this. And then the last one is it helps in development of society. If the business is going for current, recent, trendy business practices and technology, if it's production process, manufacturing process, or if it is service provider, if they are keeping pace with the changing time, they are efficient, they are able to have a satisfied workforce, in that case the kind of goods or services provided by them, rendered by them is of high quality at reasonable price, which is able to satisfy the needs of the society. And if they are up to the desired standard, if they are up to the expectations of the public, beyond their expectation, then it works for the development of the society, which is able to garner the benefits of the required goods and services in the society. So, in this video, we talked about the objectives of management and the importance of management. Right? In our next video, we will be talking about nature of management. We will be talking about nature of management, whether management is an art or it is a science or it is a profession. What are the features of art, science and profession, and whether they are present in management or not. Right? Thank you.